Welcome back to Over 60. Today on Gourmet Disasters, I, Chef Robert, will attempt the elegant chicken a la chaos. The recipe says it's a simple 30-minute meal. The recipe is clearly a work of fiction. Step 1. Don the protective gear. At 60 plus, safety is paramount in the danger zone. Step 2. Dice the onion. Try not to think about how much your back currently aches. Next, apply a light dusting of flour. Just a delicate, subtle touch. Now we confront the beast. I don't know why, but I feel like it's judging me. A tiny pinch of pepper to awaken the flavors. Oops, it's awake now. Sear the meat on medium heat, or alternatively, invoke the fires of Mount Doom. Now for the reduction sauce. It looks like swamp mud, but it smells like regret. Let it simmer while you check Facebook to see what the grandkids are up to. Ah, the song of my people! That means dinner is almost ready. Keep calm. Waving a tea towel fixes everything. It's basically science. Ventilate the kitchen before the fire department revokes my cooking license. Again. And there you have it. Chicken a la charcoal, perfectly caramelized. Time for the chef's tasting. Let me just carve a tender piece. You know what? Life is too short, and my dental work is too expensive for this. Hello, Golden Dragon. Yes, it's Robert, the usual. Number 42, extra crispy. Thanks for watching Over 60. Subscribe for more culinary masterpieces. Now, where are my egg rolls?